Many Pythonistas don't know this, but Python for loop has an else clause. We all know how to write a for loop, but Python also supports an else clause with the for loop. This else clause is executed when you have iterated through all the elements. This else clause is not executed if you prematurely exit the for loop, either with a break statement or with a return statement in a function. Similarly, the while loops also supports the else clause in Python. So when does it make sense to use this? It's useful when you want to do something after you have finished looping through all the elements. Like for example, you're trying to find the first prime factor of a number n. You check all the numbers from 2 till square root of n. If it is divisible by n, you return it. Once you have finished looping, you know the number itself is a prime and return it. Thanks for watching, and if you like the video, do remember to subscribe.